He plays and he eats. You're playing and eating? Everybody's eating? Feifei's eating? Hi Feifei, you eating? Oh, yum, yum. This is breakfast time in our house. And then, hi Mari, are you eating? Oh, look at you. You're all eating? Good girl. I know. You want your privacy. You want your privacy. And where's Destiny? Destiny, are you eating? Are you eating? Are you eating? Is it yum yum yummy? Yum yum yummy. Are you eating? Yum yum yummy. Mmm. Mmm. Yum yum yummy. Yeah. Eat your breakfast. Yeah. And then wanna show you. Oh, baby Love is still eating. I wanna show you right here in the bedroom. Angel, are you eating? Yeah, Angel is eating. Good boy, Angel. See, he's eating. Yeah, good boy, Angel. And what is Hopi? Hopi. Hopi is the only one who's not eating. Hopi, come eat. Come eat. Come eat. Come down. You wanna come eat? No, he's not hungry. He wants just to play. Just wants to play. You wanna play, Hopi? Okay, you can play. Go back to baby. Baby. Oh, look at how hungry. So hungry. Good boy. Good boy, love. You wanna play the parrot song? Parrot.
Get on your feet. Move like the animals, stomp your feet. One like a penguin, stretch your toes. Dance like a monkey and laugh out loud. Go play in the
Okay, that's it. Good boy.
like the animals, stomp your feet. One like a penguin, stretch your toes. Dance like a monkey and laugh out loud.